To use the Rescue Pop Fly Trap, unscrew the top cap and retrieve the packet that contains the lure pouch. To bait the trap, simply open the packet and drop the lure into the trap. Then, fill the trap with water. Be sure to keep an eye on the fill line so you know when you've added enough water. Next, screw the cap back onto the top of the trap. Pop the entrance open so that flies can enter the trap. Thread a string or wire through the hole and hang the trap outdoors, at least 20 feet away from home entrances or areas with human activity. The Pop Fly Trap is now ready to catch flies and will work for about 30 days before it needs to be emptied and refilled.